A shark. Long Island Sound, little shark. How are we gonna unhook him? Oh my gosh, it is really. That's so freaking scary. Hell, oh my gosh, it is. Oh my god. Oh my god. His mama must be close by. Oh, I'm really scared now. How are you gonna get it out, honey?
You are.
I'm not. It has teeth.
I didn't bring the pliers.
Oh, good idea. You're gonna kill it. Aww. It's dying, honey. Save it.
Give me mouth to mouth.
No, just cut the thing off. It's gonna bite you. Whoa, you touched a shark, honey. Ay, pobrecito, poor thing. Let him go. Ay, get healthy, buddy. Just don't bite us when we're swimming. Don't do that.